What me doing?
Hey Army Squad, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Bree and I'm back with another epic video for Pull Pan Rick. My side, me can't stay too long with you because me and bring down chat and I go up on the roads and me now go so me come up with a perfect opportunity to pull the cheating with the door like prank pan him and maybe I keep on looking for my car. Guys, me know this serious but me I pull the prank pan him. But the business, in a chat to me, I go prank him. So if you don't want to see how that video unfold, just stay tuned, leave a like, leave a comment, spam the comment section my side because we are doing post notification shout out. So spam the comment section to be featured. Subscribe to the channel. We are getting a video right now. So guys, we have clothes, we have my bingo bag, I have clothes, and I'm gonna just drop my mom out the place like so, you know, what's up man, go on. So I'm gonna drop this right there. So when we come here, roll back the camera, okay? Go.
Bree. Bree.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yes, I love you. Take time. Take a time. Yeah, kill me. So good.
Bree. What me doing, Bree? What me doing, Bree? Bree. What me doing? You could have told everyone that God heaven and that God lap. He can't come out today, you know. I could have God lap or fracking cinema that he can't come out today.
Where's that one, baby? I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes.
Keep up me door. We didn't go for 2 hours. 2 hours. 2 freaking hours.
You can't go to the window. Papa, the people angry. You can't go to the window. Jesus Christ. Boy, you're not trouble. You're not trouble.
What me doing?
Huh?
What me doing? Me keep on listening. Me keep on you. Or me door. Oh, by your mama. By your. On me door. On me door. Can't you eat? It's a joke, you know. It's a fault. Feel me a joke. Me say what me do? What me do? Me say what me do? What me do? What me do? You bummer. You tell me if you joke, you know. You tell me if you joke, you know. You. Me say what me do? Open me the door. What me do? Bring me, I'll keep on this car. What me do? Bree. I did my sitting here I want to do. That's why I tell you to come with me a thing, boy, you not come. I tell you to come on, you know, you talk about, oh, I just have to relax. I just have to relax, yo. Man, in your whole relax in there. Man, in your whole relax in your whole, it's a relaxation you want. I say, what me do? What me do for me kick it down for you, know? So, come with me, Bree. Look here. I did my sitting here away from man. Eh? What is that? Yeah man, what me do? Just what me do them. Me say what me do. Just
You promise me? No, be afraid.
what me do. No man, just me not do nothing. Me just stand up here so me not do nothing, just what me do. Just what me do, me just stand up. Me just stand up and wait for you at me door. That's what me do, Bree. Bree, me say what me do. Just what me do, me not do nothing. No, me not do nothing. Me say me not do nothing, just what me do. Me say me not do nothing, open the door. Just what me do, I'm really not do nothing, I'm not doing anything. Me just want to talk. Find out, get to the bottom of this and what happened. Bree, open the door before me kick me. I count from 1 to 3. What me say? You can't man come in the house where you asleep, Bree. And then my whole time and this you got to know.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. A spite you call this? Just what me do, babes? Babes, just what me do, babes? Babes, what me do, babes? Babes, just what me do, babes? What me do, babes?
I'm scared. Yeah. I'm sorry, okay? If we open the door,
You want to see how you animal come out of there? You want to see how you animal come out of there? You want to see how you animal come out of there? You want to see how you come out of there? Don't let me keep down this in a way. Don't do Bree, what me do? Me say open it. Open the door. You say me nah do nothing, open the door. I see me put it down. See, yeah man, me put it down. Yeah, see, me put it down. How me door now? Bree, just I tell your man to come out then. It's time to come out then. You know how to come out, it's time to come out and go on. Hey, yeah. Just tell yourself to just come out and go on. Me and you will discuss this. Hey, yeah man, tell yourself I give him a chance if you come out. Hey, yeah man, tell yourself to come. Now man, me just have a thing go on and me and discuss your side. Just come man. Yeah man, on me. On me now? Yeah man, on me. Up here. Yeah, man, put it down. See that, put it down. I put it down on the ground while I go.
If me open the door, you're going to pay the sound.
Just what me do, Bree. That's what me do, man. That's bossy do. Yeah, man, that's bossy do. Come here, man. Me nah do nothing. You never tell a man to go to the door. When inside there, you tell him to go to the door. When you do, you never tell him to go to the door. Eh? When you up and down, you ain't tell him to go to the door. What make you two never go to the door? You know me big. When me man. Panic! Oh my God. Babe, you still come me down, man. Me no upset, I'm happy. Yeah!
Really? You're happy in this situation that we never love.
We just want me do, man. We just want to talk. Can't me see me dey on the road a big job. Man, I not do that, man. Come here, me girl. Like a sort of donkey. How me do, man? How me do? Yeah, man, promise you. Me not do nothing, promise you. Me sure, man, me sure. Yeah, man, me sure, man, me sure. Me not do nothing. Why now?
No, me, don't go around this, don't go around this. Me, don't go around there, don't go around there, me. Come on, me, don't go around there. Run.
Bree, stop playing me, Bree. Stop playing me, Bree.
It's a prank. You got prank. Where you going, machine?
You're on too much, man.
Yeah, bad man. Yeah, bad man.
I'm shit alone, me.
Yeah, bad man.
I'm lucky. I'm shit alone. Me going to
Eh? Where you go? Come here, man. Say team brief you wanna. Say team. Hey, come here.
Bree, no, say me not feel good for me.
Say team brief. Say team brief. Say team brief. You know, say team brief. Eh? Guys, we get him good. Today's post notification would be going out to Teddy Cat. Big up yourself, Teddy. Thanks for always commenting and spamming our comment section. So guys, if you don't want to be a part of this shout out, you'll just spam the comment section. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, watch the ads. Peace out. Bye.